Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Tayo ay mag-review tungkol sa laws of exponent. Ang focus po natin ay zero exponent. So ano nga ba ang zero exponent? Any non-zero raised to zero is always equal to 1. Ibig sabihin po natin ay kung meron po tayong number line, ano bang ibig sabihin ng non-zero? Kung ito po yung zero natin, lahat po ng numbers papunta sa right ng zero ay considered non-zero, and all numbers going to the left of zero are also non-zero. These are the negative numbers or the positive numbers. Hindi po kasali si zero. Okay? Okay, let's have an example of this rule. Let us say we have x raised to 0. The answer is 1. 5 raised to 0. The answer is 1. Okay, but be careful. Parentheses matter. Let us say we have the quantity of 2x raised to the 0. That's 1. Next is if we have this exponential term or expression, 2x raised to the 0 is equal to 2 times 1. Bakit? Only the x is raised to 0. So, yun lang po yung value ay 1. Next, so it is 2 times 1. Kaya po 1 lang po ito. Ibig sabihin, ito lang po kasi yung na-erase to 0. So, the answer of 2 times 1 is 2. Ganun lang po. So, remember, just a quick tip to everyone, always check those parentheses. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, you understand something about our topic, zero exponent. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Goodbye.